Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jaguar. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar has less than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.